Hello everyone. Today I'd like to introduce to you how to use the GTokenTool platform to conduct token snapshots. First we enter the token snapshot page. Then connect to the mainnet. There is no need to connect a wallet. This is free of charge. Now, let's start the operation. We need to fill in the token address, for which we want to take a snapshot. After filling it in, we click on Query Tokens. Here it will display the name of the token, its symbol, and the historical number of token holders. We can filter the snapshot data. There are ranges available for selection, or we can input it ourselves. I'll input 300. We can also customize the minimum number of tokens held. I'll input 1000. After setting it up, we click on Immediate Snapshot. After waiting for a while, a form will be downloaded. Once it's downloaded, let's click to take a look. Indeed, there are only 300 pieces of data in it, and the minimum number of tokens held is not lower than 1000, so the whole process is completed. If you have any questions, you can come and ask in our community. That's all for this video. Goodbye.